Hi, my name is Samath. Welcome to my English class. Today's lesson, I am going to teach you how to use the word color properly in English. But before I start the lesson, I have one question to ask you. Have you ever spoken like this? Okay, it's red color. It's blue color. It's white color. And is it right or wrong in English? Okay, so to understand more clearly, please go to my class. Okay, so here the lesson of the day. The title is It's white color. Okay, and I have one question. What color is your car? And then I have two possible answers. The first answer is my car is white color, and the second one is my car is white. So which one is right English and which one is wrong English? So let's analyze together. My car is white color. That is wrong English. And the other one, my car is white. That is right English. Okay, so please read the note. No need to use the word color. Okay, so no need to use the word color. Look at here, why it is wrong. Okay, so in here we have the word white already and then color. So we will never use both words together like white color. So we don't use both. We just use only white. That is correct English. But when you use both words like white color, that is wrong English. Black color, wrong English. Red color, wrong English. Okay, so let's read another question. What color is it? What color is it? And the answer, it's blue. Okay, so it's blue is right. It's blue color. That is wrong because we have the word blue and color, so we do not use blue and color together in English. Okay, so never say, look at the animation here, never say my pen is red color. My pen is red color. So that is wrong English because we use red and color together. So do not use color. Okay, her dress is yellow color. That is wrong English because we use both yellow and color together. And the other one, our books are brown color. Okay, so that is wrong in English because we use brown and color together. Okay, so to fix this sentence, we should say, or we must say, my pen is red. That is correct English. Her dress is yellow. Okay, that is correct English. Our books are brown. Okay, that is correct in English. Okay, so that's all for my lesson today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any comment, please give comment under the videos. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel or hit the bell for my new notification. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.